Namaste, good evening. I am Swati. Welcome to the special bulletin. Let's begin with headlines. Corona figures in India crossed 3 lakh. Now the country's capital, Delhi, overtook Mumbai. Raymond Magsaysay Awards 2020 cancelled due to COVID-19 outbreak. This is the third time the award will not be given. 2 workers commit suicide in Balia and Banda district. The workers had been struggling with financial constraints for a long time. There's a good news of renowned lyricist Javed Akhtar. Akhtar has been honored with Richard Dawkins Award. Now the news in details. As we know that coronavirus outbreak is not stopping, rather spreading its wings rapidly. It seems like the situation is slowly coming out of our hands. Now we came at the 4th position in the world. If this continues, then it will not take us long to come at the 1st position in the world. India has recorded the highest single-day jump so far, 11,458 fresh cases. It is not at all that only the data of the infected has been increased. The number of people who have died with it is also seen increasing rapidly. The death toll rose to 8,884 with a single-day spike of 386 fatalities. Maharashtra, the worst coronavirus hit state in the country, has crossed 1 lakh mark after it recorded 3,493 cases on Friday. As there were not so many cases in Delhi, but it is now trying to overtake Maharashtra. Today, Delhi reported its highest number of positive cases with 2,137. Let me tell you that this is the first time in the capital crossed the 2,000 mark in 24 hours. A news of an annual awards which have been cancelled due to COVID-19 pandemic. Raymond Magsaysay Awards, known as Asia's version of the Nobel Prize, which will not be given in the year of 2020. Let me tell you that this is the 3rd time the annual awards have been cancelled in the last 6 decades. Earlier, the award was cancelled due to financial crisis in 1970 and disastrous earthquake hit the Philippines in 1990. This time too, the situation is similar. A tiny virus has caused havoc all over the world. Even people are afraid of its name. In view of such circumstances, the Manila-based foundation issued a statement on 9th of June 2020 saying that it has no choice but to cancel the 2020 awards, with COVID-19 almost immobilizing the world. Let us tell you in whose honor this award is given. Raymond Magsaysay Award is named after 7th Philippine President Raymond Magsaysay, who died in a plane crash in 1957. This honor is given to those who achieve excellence in their respective fields and selflessly serve to help others. There's a big news from Balia and Banda district where 2 laborers hanged on due to worst financial condition. A worker who returned from Uttarakhand in Balia district committed suicide by hanging himself. At the same time, the another one committed suicide in Mahua village of Banda district. It is being told that both were struggling with poor financial condition, due to which both took such a big step. And last but not least, news about a great lyricist Javed Akhtar, who have recently been announced to be honored with Richard Dawkins Award. He is the first Indian to get this award. Let's know why Javed Akhtar is chosen for this great award. Akhtar has been chosen for the prestigious Richard Dawkins Award. He has received this award because of giving importance to rational thought, secularism, human development and human values. Now the time to wrap the bulletin. To stay connected with other news, please subscribe my channel.